In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to beg. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we have commenced the chapter which is known as semantics. Semantics is the scientific and philosophical study of meaning, that how meaning is interpreted, communicated, and constructed. Listeners and audience, if you remember, we also discussed 7 types of meanings. In 7 types of meanings, I only discussed in detail, along with examples, about 5 types of meanings in 7 types. Like the first one I told you about conceptual meaning, secondly associative meaning, thirdly social meaning, fourth affective meaning or affected meaning, and the fifth one that was reflected meaning. Today we are going to talk about collocative meaning. Listeners and audience, you will learn about collocative meaning, that what is meant by collocative meaning. What is the importance of collocative meaning and how collocative meanings occur? Whenever we are talking about collocative meanings, it is the type of meaning which acquires in the company of another word. I'm repeating, collocative meaning is a meaning which acquires in the company of another certain words. It means that when a word has association with another word, this type of meaning is called collocative meaning. And collocative meaning occurs when one word comes after another word, when one word is followed by another word. And there are certain words. When we say collocative or collocates mean a word which comes after the other words, or a word which comes side by side with another word. So, in collocative meaning, a word co-occurs with another word. So, the co-occurrence of a word with another word habitually, that is also known as collocative meaning. But here you must keep this point in your mind that collocative meaning must be acceptable. Though such type of meanings, they are co-occur with each other, but their correct usage is also important. For example, I'm going to write with a word. For example, here is a word big. So this big collocates with business. This big word collocates with business. It means that after the word big there is business. So you can't say a great business. It's incorrect based on collocative meaning. So here big collocates and it has co-occurrence with business. And there are different words. Let me provide another example. For example, if we have the word pretty, this is one word, and we also have another word, handsome. Listeners and audience, you see, these two words, they are identical. They are similar to each other. It means that they are the synonyms of each other. However, pretty collocates with another words and handsome collocates with another word. The words which come after the pretty cannot become after the handsome. For example, pretty collocates woman. Pretty also collocates girl. It collocates village. Yes, and it also collocates, for example, yes, woman, girl, village, and flower. On the other hand, handsome collocates man or men, boy, etc. Now, listeners and audience, you can say pretty woman, pretty girl, pretty village, and pretty flower. However, you can't say pretty boy or pretty man, because pretty collocates woman, pretty collocates girl, pretty collocates village, pretty collocates flower. Same is the case. Handsome collocates man or boy, and it does not collocates woman or girl. It means the word handsome does not collocate woman or girl. Although both words they have the same meaning, good looking. The meaning of pretty and handsome mean good looking. But they collocate with those words with which they have the same association. So hope that this topic is clear to you.